right here in the vane is the water system. So we use a 6-gallon tank right here. To refill it, you simply move that latch, pull it out like this, unscrew, pull it out, and when you're ready to fill it back up, you simply go to a hose or a sink or a shower or really wherever. It's super easy to refill the tank whenever it's refilled. And you're good to go. You turn it on just right here. That controls how much water flow, and then the water pump turn on is right there. It's already on. So right here, you've got your hose. That's the soaker, never does well. You got your shower option, mist, jet. A really great way to use the water is shower. Shower is important to everybody. So whenever you close both doors, they lock in place right like that. And then we have a shower curtain, a shower kit that you latch the shower curtain to each of these doors, and then you have a shower. Here is the hot water tank. So the hot water tank is actually connected to our fresh water tank. So whenever you turn on the hot water, right like this, it automatically turns on. It starts taking the water from this tank into this tank, starts heating it up, and this actually has its own holder. Right here you have cold and hot water. Turn on the hot water. Super nice.